Hello guys, welcome to the Person Technology. How to enter recovery mode iPhone 11. Today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode. Well, this is volume up and volume down and power button. You have to press volume up and release, and press volume down and release immediately, and then you have to keep pressing power button. You have to keep pressing until you see a cable sign on the screen. I will show you. Yes, this is like that. When you see this cable, and then you release the power button. That's it to enter the recovery mode. Well, you may ask why you need to enter recovery mode. If you forget your password, or even if you would like to restore to your telephone, you have to enter in recovery mode so that iTunes can detect your telephone, and then you have the option to recover or restore your telephone. Thank you guys to watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like, you can join my Facebook group to find all your question and answer. Thank you very much.